The inevitable decay, a look at entropy. Left to themselves, things fall apart. It's a fundamental law of the universe, entropy in motion. Think of an abandoned building. Slowly but surely, nature reclaims its own. Dust gathers, walls crumble, the structure decays. Without upkeep, without intervention, the blueprint fades and chaos reigns. This process of decline is not limited to physical objects. Relationships left untended wither. Skills unpracticed atrophy. Even societies without vigilance and renewal crumble under the weight of their own complexities. Entropy is the universe's tax on existence. It's an unavoidable force, always pulling things towards disorder. But there is a countervailing force, a force that can reverse decay, that can build and maintain order against the tide of chaos. That force is intelligence. Order from chaos, intelligence as the architect of reality. Consider the difference between a pile of bricks and a house. Both consist of the same basic elements, yet one represents chaos, the other order and purpose. The difference? Intelligence. A blueprint, a vision, a guiding hand to arrange those bricks into something meaningful and functional. This principle extends far beyond construction. Look at the natural world, a spider web, a marvel of engineering, spun from the seemingly simple secretions of a tiny creature, or the intricate dance of a bee colony. Each individual playing a specific role in the survival of the whole. These are not random occurrences, but testaments to a deeper order, an intelligence woven into the fabric of existence. Intelligence, it seems, has the unique ability to take the raw materials of the universe and shape them into something beautiful, something functional, something meaningful. The divine spark, recognizing the ultimate creator. This brings us to a fundamental question. Where does this intelligence originate? How did the universe, teeming with such complexity and elegance, arise from the void? The answer, increasingly clear, lies in the concept of a divine creator. This is not a conclusion reached lightly, but a deduction drawn from observing the world around us. Just as the intricate design of a watch points to a watchmaker, the awe-inspiring complexity of the universe, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, points to a creative force beyond our comprehension. This creator is not merely responsible for the initial spark of creation, but also for the ongoing sustenance of the universe. The laws of physics, the delicate balance of life, the very fabric of reality, all point to a constant and vigilant presence, ensuring the continuation of order amidst the ever-present potential for chaos. Living in the light of creation, finding meaning and purpose, recognizing this truth, embracing the reality of a divine creator and sustainer is not simply an intellectual exercise. It's a key to unlocking a deeper, more meaningful existence. When we acknowledge the hand of a creator in the world around us, we begin to see life through a different lens. The mundane becomes miraculous. Challenges become opportunities for growth. Suffering takes on a new dimension as a necessary counterpoint to joy and a catalyst for compassion. To live in the light of creation is to understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence. It's to recognize our own inherent dignity as beings made in the image of our Creator. It's to approach life with a sense of awe, gratitude, and responsibility, knowing that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Embrace this truth. Let it inspire you. Let it guide you. Live a life worthy of your creation.